This video goes over how to edit your notification settings in your Google Ads account. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For this video, start at ads.google.com and be signed in to the account that you'd like to do this for. First, scroll over to Admin and go on Notifications. You'll be able to edit your notifications on this screen. You can edit notifications based on the person's email address, so you can edit notifications for someone other than yourself as well. You would do this by clicking the drop down here, and all your emails will pop up here who have access to your account. You'll then be able to edit your email settings for the notifications you would like to receive or not receive. Some of these notifications include performance reporting, bulk actions, newsletter, testing and feedback opportunities, customized help and performance suggestions, special offers, disapproved ads and policy alerts, campaign maintenance, account security, optional advertiser identity verification, reports, and billing alerts. Once you select or deselect to receive the notification that you are interested in, you'll be all set. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.